Multiplying with whole numbers. Hey, welcome back to another Math with Jason Jacobs. My name is Jason Jacobs, and I'm going to be your teacher, tutor, whatever you'd like to call me. You can call me. Don't get too crazy there. Multiplying with whole numbers. Here we go. 35 times 17. I'm going to try to teach this to you quick and the easiest way possible. So 7 times 5, that's 35. So the 5 goes here, and we're going to carry the 30, which we'll just put a 3 there. And now 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. So that's how that works. Now we've used the 7 and we've used the 3. So these are some things that traditionally have tricked some students. So what we like to do is just cross out the 7 and 3 when you're getting started learning this, so you don't get confused by them. All right, now, very important, because we're gonna do 1 times 5 and then 1 times 3. Well, this isn't really a 1. We call it a 1 just to make it easier for you. This is really a 10. So it's like 10 times 5 and 10 times 3. So in order to do that, we're gonna put a placeholder 0 right here. Placeholder 0. And I like to put a little smiley face here so that we know we put our placeholder 0. Okay. Now, 1 times 5, because that is 50, and look, see? And then 1 times 3, that's 3. Now, these are what are known as partial products. They're part of the product, and these are the two factors. A factor makes up the product, and a product is the answer to a multiplication problem. Product goes with multiplication. If we're doing division, the answer to a division problem is quotient. The answer to an addition problem is sum, and the answer to a subtraction problem is difference. So know those well. And here we go. We're going to add up the partial products to get our product. 5 plus 0 is 5, and then we have 9 and 5. So the product of 35 times 17 is 595. Hey, why don't you guys try this one? Don't get thrown off by the 100 there. Okay, did you pause and try it? Well, let's see. So 2 times 1 is 2. We're just gonna work with the 2 first. 2 times 8 is 16. And 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Now we've already used this 2. I'm gonna cross it out. We've already used that 1, I'm gonna cross that out. Now I put a placeholder 0 there. Placeholder 0. I like to add in the little smiley face. And now 4 times 1 is 4. And 4 times 8 is 12. So we'll put the 2 here. Carry the 1. You want everything in line. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So here are our partial products. We're going to add them up to find the product of the two factors, 181 multiplied by 42. So here we go. Here, 6 plus 4 is 10, so the 0 goes here, we carry the 1, and 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 is 6, and 5. So 5,602. 5,602. So when you have two numbers here, you're going to have two partial products. Well, what if you had 3? Well, you want to do a little bonus? You want to try? All right, this wasn't part of the plan, but I can tell you want to learn new things. And that's awesome. That's awesome. Math and education will open up so many doors for you. Let's just randomly make up one. I like using like simple problems when we're learning something new. So I'll do like 123 times. And why don't we do 456? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, here we go, guys. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. 6 times 1 is 7, plus 1, or 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. I was getting ahead of myself there. Now we've already used the 6, we've used these 1s, and I'm gonna add a placeholder 0. All right, now we're gonna work with the 5. The 5 times 3, 5 times the 2, and 5 times the 1. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. All right, we've used that 6, the 1, and the 1. Okay, now here's where it gets, when it's 3 digits here, to the 100 spot, This is like 400 times 3, 400 times 2, 400 times 1. So we don't need one placeholder 0, we're gonna need 2, okay? So that's what will change up in 6th grade. I think you might have done this in 5th grade too. So I put 2 placeholder zeros now. Now, 4 times 3 is 12, carry the 1. And 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. And 4 times 1 is 4, and there's nothing to add there. So I'm just gonna put 4. And now we have 3 partial products. We're gonna add up the partial products now to find the product of the 2 factors, 123 times 456. Here we go. I'm adding them all up, 3 plus 5 plus 0. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10. 1 plus 9, find 10 pairs first, that's a good tip. 16. So here we have 56,088. My name is Jason Jacobs. This is multiplying with whole numbers, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a lot. Hey, I got tons of videos out here. So I hope I can make your math journey a little easier and a little more fun. Bye.